What is SPAC's relationship to cell and gene therapy firms? SPACs help cell and gene companies go public with some advantages: faster execution than an IPO, upfront price discovery, possibility of raising additional capital, lower costs of marketing, and access to operational expertise. But also, some downsides such as capital shortfall from potential redemption. Interesting deals have been completed or are underway. Cellularity Inc., a clinical-stage cellular medicine company, entered a business combination agreement with GX Acquisition Corporation, a special-purpose acquisition company. The gross proceeds from the transaction is approximately $138 million. In May 2021, Jasper Therapeutics, a biotechnology company focused on the development of novel curative therapies based on the biology of the hematopoietic stem cell, merged with Amplitude Healthcare Acquisition Corporation to create a publicly listed leading biotechnology company in hematopoietic stem cell transplantation. The transaction included up to $100 million in trusted Amplitude and a concurrent fully committed $100 million PIPE financing from premier institutional investors. One of the latest SPAC news is the deal between Greenlight Biosciences Inc. and Environmental Impact Acquisition Corporation, which is backed by investment bank Canaccord Genuity Group Inc. for $1.5 billion in Q4 of 2021. Andre Zerer, co-founder and CEO of Greenlight, defined the benefit of this strategy. Going public through this partnership will accelerate development and commercialization by enabling us to attract the talent, purchase the tools, scale our manufacturing infrastructure, advance regulatory approvals, and develop further the science necessary to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges. It is interesting to note that 28 SPACs seeking acquisitions in the U.S. healthcare sector raised more than $4 billion in 2020. For Max H. Bazerman, professor at the Harvard Business School, and Paresh Patel, founder of Natural Order Acquisition Corporation, SPACs have allowed many companies to raise more funds than alternative options do, propelling innovation in a range of industries. They offer investors and targets a new set of financing opportunities that compete with later-stage venture capital, private equity, direct listings, and the traditional IPO process. The cell and gene therapy market will continue to grow in the future, as Scott Gottlieb, Commissioner of Food and Drugs at U.S. Food and Drug Administration said. By 2025, we predict that the FDA will be approving 10 to 20 cell and gene therapy products a year based on an assessment of the current pipeline and the clinical success rates of these products. The future looks bright. Private equity and SPACs are amazing sources of capital that are helping take the industry to the next level and deliver innovative therapies to patients. The future will tell which investment strategies bring the most value to patients, society, and shareholders.